In this video, we will explore the key features of the BMC Community platform and offer a systematic guide on navigating through it. This enables you to maximize your experience on the community platform. Let's get started. If you are a new user, before you can dive into the BMC community, you will need to register your account. Click on the Register button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information and verify your account. If you already have an account, simply click on the Login button, enter your username and password to get access to your community account. As I already have the username and password, I am clicking on the Login button. Once you are logged in, you will see the community homepage. Starting from the header section of the homepage, on top right-hand side, you can find the option to manage your profile. In your profile section, you can update your personal information, add your profile picture, and view your activity history within your profile section. Left side to your profile, you can find the notifications. Notifications helps you to stay informed about the updates on new discussions and relevant activities based on your interests which you choose to follow. Next to the announcement, you have the search bar. Search bar enables you to quickly access the relevant discussion and solutions based on the keyword which you enter on the search panel. You can navigate through the wealth of community knowledge articles effortlessly, ensuring an efficient and productive user experience. Going back to the home page, on the left-hand side of the community homepage, you can find navigation for products, groups, partners, and help. First up, with the products, by clicking on the products, you can easily explore our range of available BMC products. Whether you are a seasoned user or a newcomer, our product section is your go-to hub to find product-related discussions, knowledge articles, events, and ideas. Next, let's talk about the groups. Groups is a place where you can connect with like-minded individuals, collaborate on projects, and share experiences within your specialized interest groups. It's your chance to be part of a vibrant community tailored to your specific needs. Let's talk about MyFeed. MyFeed is your personalized information dashboard. In MyFeed, based on your interest which you selected to follow, it delivers updates, announcements, and relevant content directly to your inbox. Community Feed. Community Feed is a place where you can engage with the community, share insights, and stay connected. Community Feed fosters open communication, ensuring you are always on the loop with the latest discussions and updates. MyFeed and Community Feed are designed to enhance your user experience, providing a platform that adapts to your unique needs. Talking about the bookmarks. Bookmarks helps you to keep your favorite posts, resources, and insights at your fingertips. No more searching, it's just a click away from the information that matters most to you.